All right, so I just created this demo user right here in Microsoft Azure, and I've assigned it the GlobalProtect Enterprise application. But basically, in order to enable multi-factor authentication, essentially you just kind of select the user or just select multi-factor authentication. It pops out a new window, and you can enforce multi-factor right through here, right? And so I already have this enabled for this guy. We can quickly disable it, or here there would be an enable button, somewhat like this guy right here. Oh, and that's the root account, so it doesn't matter. But in enforce, I bet you we can just enforce a multi-factor push challenge there. But since I have this going, I have GlobalProtect already rocking and rolling with SAML. So what it would look like essentially is that we have the GlobalProtect portal, obviously, nothing in the username. So if we go back to GlobalProtect and we click connect, we'll give this a little second to think about it. And you see I'm using that demo, so I'm just going to create the new account. I've already created the account. I just haven't established. The new password and stuff like that, so it'll prompt me eventually. But let me go ahead and get that username in here. Basically, I created the support account. I created the AzureAD account. I haven't ever authenticated yet from it, so, but this should work regardless if you've already authenticated or not. This is the same process. So basically, we sign in, use the username we want. Next. And so this is the screen right here. Your organization needs more information to keep your account secure. So this right here is actually what's going to be displayed to the end user if they don't already have the multi-factor enabled for their account, essentially. So let's go ahead and click next, and it's going to bring us to the next page to see how we want to be contacted, right? How should we be contacted? We could either do authentication by phone or the mobile app. I'll do the mobile app, and we'll receive notifications for verification, right? So it's basically, what this means is just a push notification. Whereas use verification code, essentially, yeah, we can do that too, right? So this is just how you want to use the mobile app, right? So we can pop in the verification code, or we can just receive push notifications. I would imagine people just want push notifications. So let's go ahead and set that up. The next page is going to be the page where we kind of go ahead and download the app on your phone. I'm using a Samsung phone, but essentially we get to use this authenticator app, and right now I'm just recording on my phone, so I'll send you both of the recordings, or link you both to the recordings. So basically I click on the authenticator. I just so happen to have it where I need to use my fingerprint to open it. The screen recording on my phone won't copy this authenticator page here that I'm looking at, but if I hit the three buttons up at the top, And let me see. And I can't do a screenshot because of the security policy on my phone. But if I hit the three dots at the top right, and then I get to, there's a drop down that says add account. And so I'll go ahead and add account. And then it prompts me to an area where I could select my personal account. So I'll just go ahead and do that. And then it says add personal account. Sign in with Microsoft. Sign in with the QR code. And in fact, I should probably just take pictures of this on my other phone. So we have it. And you can see what I'm talking about. Cool, so I'm gonna cancel this. So going back here. So this is the app that it looks like. Not the one. There's the one that's bouncing. So the one that's bouncing on my phone is the one that I'm going to be using. So I'll go ahead and hit that. And then this is asking me for my fingerprint. And then I hit these three dots here at the top. And I'll hit add account. And then it's asking me what kind of account you're adding. I'd say personal. And then add personal account. In this case, Bo, you'll probably use add work or school account. And then you'd scan your QR code. Let me go ahead and see what happens when I do that. Right. All right, so I just did that and it added successfully. You can see that demo account there. What I'm going to be doing now essentially is hitting next here. And then it's going to, how should we contact you, right? I'm going to receive verification, so I'm going to hit next. And then I'm going to hit approve. I'll just use my pattern. And it's approved. I go back over here. And it's additional security verification. In case you lose access to your mobile phone, go ahead and pop in your phone number in here, right? So I'll go ahead and do that. Cool. Once I did that, it brings me back over to my existing application. I'll go ahead and click done on this, and basically I'm ready to go. Now for me, I just need to change my password here. So let me go ahead and do that. I'm gonna put this down really quick. Cool. And then once that's done, I'm there. And then eventually I'll be connected here. All right, so let me go ahead and disconnect. This will log me out of GlobalProtect. Let me go ahead and log in one more time. Well, give me 1 second. This was saying that I need to log in. So this is the sign. Stop using your passwords, blah, blah, blah. Your ID department requires you to register your phone so you can be trusted to access organization lists. Right. So if I do that, I'll go ahead and set up my phone. This one's test user. 85ABC. Anyways, I'll just go ahead and try to continue with the login of GlobalProtect. There's my pop-up screen. I'll leave my phone right here. So I'll just go ahead and select my demo user. Or I can do my test user. I'll continue with my demo. So I'll go ahead and sign in. Go ahead and approve. And then basically for me, there I go. And then it moved me back. I'll just say that. Then after that, I'll be connected. Cool. And then if we go back to the Palo Alto, go to the gateways, look at the remote users, and you can see demo is connected. But other than that, that's pretty much it.